When it comes to interior design, one common dilemma that homeowners face is whether all the rooms in their house should have a uniform look and feel. While some prefer the continuity of cohesive design throughout home, others relish the opportunity to give each room its unique personality. Harmony in interior design implies that there is a consistent thread or theme that ties all the rooms together, creating sense of flow and cohesion. This can be achieved through elements like a shared color palette, consistent floor or recurring design. Harmony is ideal for creating a unified and balanced atmosphere. Uniformity looks almost identical. It's not a requirement in modern interior design. In fact, it can sometimes stifle creativity and personal expression. Many homeowners prefer to use each room as a canvas to express individual tastes and preferences. You can achieve harmony without strict uniformity by using a unifying element that runs through the home. You could maintain consistent color, but allow each room to have unique furniture, decor, and layout. There's a sense of coherence without sacrificing individuality. Consider the function of each room when deciding whether it should match the others. Bedrooms, bathrooms, and kitchens have specific design requirements based on their functions, which can naturally lead to variations in style and decor. Transitional spaces like hallways and corridors can serve as a bridge between rooms with different aesthetics. Using elements like art or color, transitions can make these spaces feel connected while allowing for room-specific designs. Bedrooms and personal spaces are opportunities for unique expression. These rooms should reflect the personality and preferences of the individuals who use them, allowing for more freedom in design. In shared spaces like living rooms, dining rooms, and kitchens, it's essential to consider how the design flows from one area to the next. While these areas can have distinct styles, are harmonious ensures the overall design feels intentional and well-planned. The key to successful interior design is striking the right balance between individuality and cohesion. While rooms don't match entirely, there should be a sense of purpose and thoughtfulness in how they relate to each other. Ready explore interior design option. Casa Custom specializes in helping homeowners find the perfect balance between harmony and individuality in their living spaces. Contact us today to discover how we can create a home that's uniquely yours. Follow us and get more details.